Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to yet another exciting video. In today's video, we'll be shopping for some trendy tops from Myntra's end of season sale. So end of season sale start ho chuka hai and I'm pretty much tempted to try and get some trendy cute tops for myself during this sale season. So I'm very much excited, but the only catch is the entire video, my entire shopping experience is going to be a grayscale filter. So I'll be shopping with a grayscale filter on my laptop. So if you guys don't know what a grayscale filter is, this is how it looks. So yeah, so you guys won't be seeing any colors. All of the colors are muted, only grays, blacks and whites are visible. Let's bring some life back into this video. So मुझे सिर्फ ये ग्रेश टोन से पता करना है कि वो टॉप्स कैसे दिख रहे हैं, उनके कलर्स क्या है, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. ओनली द हिंट दैट आई विल बी गेटिंग आर द सिल्हूएट्स ऑफ द टॉप्स एंड ऑल्सो द प्रिंट ऑफ द टॉप्स. सो मुझे सिर्फ वो प्रिंट और सिल्हूएट देख के पता करना है कि वो टॉप्स मुझ पे अच्छे लगेंगे या नहीं लगेंगे. सो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी very interesting to watch. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. But before we start with the video, if you guys are watching me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content here on YouTube, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I have my laptop here with me, so let's just begin. So let me just switch on the gray filter here, and yeah, so as you guys can see, my grayscale filter is on. Let's go to Myntra. Okay, so we landed on the home page and okay, the end of season sale is live now, and the end of season sale is live only for 3rd to 8th of July. So everything is now under 50 to 80% off. So whatever you shop, you are going to get minimum of 50% off on each order. So that's a very good time to shop. So let's just quickly go to our tops section and see. ये मैं कौन सी दुनिया में आ गई हूँ, मुझे खुद ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. बिकॉज ओ माई गॉड, लुक एट द टॉप्स, एवरीथिंग इज ग्रे, black and white. So it is going to be pretty difficult for me to shop, but it is going to be very interesting and fun for you guys to watch. So watch me get tortured. But yeah, I really like this second one, which is called Harpa solid top, and let's just click and see. Okay, Harpa woman white. Oh, da, 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 da. Okay, so if I open the tops in another, like in a new tab, तो ये मुझे actually नाम के साथ में कलर भी बता रहा है, which is Harpa's women white solid top. So as much as I really like this top, I don't think so I can go with it because मुझे कलर पता है, and if I go ahead with this, then it will be cheating. So I don't want to cheat in this video. So what we'll do is we won't open the tops in the new tab, but we'll only scroll through it and see which other tops we like, and if we like, we can directly wish list it or directly put it in the bag. I think I'll directly put it in the bag. मेरा aim है कि मैं 7 tops select करूँ for a week, for an entire week. So I hope that I succeed. I really like the first top itself because ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे shoulder पे puffy है, and I really like puffy sleeves, or you know, like ऐसे type के क्या बोलते हैं इसको, bell sleeves. I forgot, being a fashion designer, I forgot what sleeve is this. Oh my god, bell sleeves.
I'm sorry, did you mean balloon sleeves?
Yes, Kathy, I meant balloon sleeves.
Because I'm getting a very nice vibe, and also the fourth mention on the top in the first row is again the same similar top, but then the shades are different. The first one is a little dark gray and the fourth one is a little light gray. So I don't know, should I go for a solid dark gray or the light? Okay, I guess let's just directly go to the first one, which is the dark gray. Okay, I can't add directly in the bag, तो हम इसको wish list कर लेते हैं. So we already are one down. Let's scroll more and see. So puff sleeves तो हो गए हैं. So let's just see what are the other tops that I would like to invest in. scrolling. Oh, I also like this one here. It has a ruched detailing here in the front, but it's from Mango and it has some floral detailing in it. But I don't know, it looks like a very net या mesh वाला fabric, so I'm not sure, like ऐसा type का fabric, but I'm not sure कि if it has a lining under it or not, or will I be needing another camisole. So मुझे ऐसा काम नहीं करना जहाँ पे I buy something and then I can't wear it and show it to you guys. So okay, उसको hold पे रखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं और भी देखते हैं. Okay. Oh, I also like this one here, which has a knot here. So it's a twisted fitted top from Sassafras. I really like this. It's this one here, but again it's a light grey one. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ solids पे ही जाऊँगी तो फिर I don't think so it's going to work, because I don't really want to play that safe also कि मैं सिर्फ solid colors के कपड़े ले लूँ, because I really wanted some ऐसे printed या embroidered tops also, like some fancy tops. So oh, speaking of embroidered tops, I can see this one here, which is a Bhama Couture embroidered A-line top. So I really like A-line tops for, like, it is actually a savior. Like A-line tops are a savior for a little, you know, thick girls out there, including me. So I think this would flatter my body because the silhouette is really nice. It has ruching from, like, it has gathers from your empire line, and it has a very nice detail on the yoke. Yoke means this part, okay? So this part has very nice embroidery done, and it is also a very unique neckline. So it's not a direct V, it's not a square, it's not a circle, it's a, I don't know, it's like an arrow. I've officially lost it. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I have no idea. लेकिन okay, so I like this one, and because it's pretty dark, ये शायद से navy होगा, navy blue होगा या तो black होगा. That is so pretty sure. But I really like it. I don't think so it's cheating if I'm guessing the colors and if the colors are accurate, because I'm not actually cheating. So there you go, 2 tops down. 5 tops और बचे हैं. So we'll keep scrolling. So we have a solid top in, we also have a embroidered solid top in. Now, oh, I also like this. It's again a A-line top, and naturally I am gravitating towards them, and I'm liking this one, and I'm pretty sure this is also white, because it's, no, it can also be peach or yellow or green or light blue or any pastel colors. Oh my god, should I buy it? Should I not? Should I buy it? Should I not? The only thing is that grayscale filter तो मेरे दिमाग में था, but now the added pressure is that I can't even open it in another tab and zoom it and see. So I just have to zoom it here like this and see. So because I've already worked in an export house, so I know कि ये ऊपर का पार्ट तो लेस है, और बिकॉज लेस है तो नीचे अंडर में लाइक लाइनिंग भी ज़रूर दिया गया होगा. सो एंड आई एम प्रीटी मच loving this top. Oh my god, the lace also is at the back. I'm getting it. I am getting it. Done. Wish listed, 3 down, 4 to go. Let's scroll, let's see. Should I get some basics also or not? No, right? Like I've decided, like मैंने दिमाग में रखा था कि trendy tops. Riddhi, this is a trendy tops video. Trendy tops. Let's not go ahead with puff sleeves. Oh, I also like this Mango का puff sleeve cotton crop top. But puff sleeves, again puff sleeves हमने ले लिया है, तो हम puff sleeves नहीं लेंगे. Riddhi, puffs. Whoa! I'm pretty sure. Oh, this is also nice. लेकिन ये sequins है, तो I am not sure कि इसका quality कैसा रहेगा. But it's from Only. But let's not look at that. I am talking about this one here. Leopard balloon sleeve top, Sarah. See, this में I can't really cheat because anyone can guess कि ये print leopard print है. So नाम like description में लिखा है, so it doesn't really give it away. बट वॉट आई एम मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इज़ कि ये लेपर्ड प्रिंट है तो लेकिन कौन से कलर में है. ज़रूरी नहीं है ना कि आजकल से वो ब्लैकिश या वो ब्राउनिश टोन्स वाले टॉप्स ही आए, विच आई रियली लाइक. आई ऑल्सो हैड दिस वन लेपर्ड प्रिंट का फॉर्मल शर्ट, so this top is actually reminding me of my shirt. So should I be getting a new leopard balloon sleeve top? It's a balloon sleeve top, it is not a puff sleeve top. So there's a difference here. So wishlisted, sorry. Ooh, I really like this one. So it's a sustainable regular top with a very deep neckline, but it's called a regular top from Mango and it's sustainable, so yay to that. लेकिन इसका कलर देख के अभी बिकॉज द ग्रे स्केल फिल्टर इज़ ऑन, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्लैकिश, लाइक ब्लैकिश का ब्लैक ही दिख रहा है. लेकिन दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी ए नेवी ब्लू और ए बर्गंडी रेड टाइप ऑफ कलर. सो अगर ये बर्गंडी हुआ ना तो आई विल लाइक, आई वुड लव इट सो मच. लेकिन अगर ब्लैक हुआ तो भी मतलब कोई हर्ज नहीं है वैसे. एंड इट हैज़ ए वेरी प्रिटी रूशिंग डिटेल्ड given here at the front. Let's get it. And I've officially lost count, तो I think हमारे पास 4 टॉप्स हो चुके हैं, if I'm not wrong. Yeah 4 टॉप हो चुके हैं, right? Yeah. Do you guys also scroll till the very end and then keep on scrolling and never be satisfied? Or is it just me? Oh, what is this? I know it's again a A-line top and again it is embroidered, but I really like it. So yoke के ऊपर embroidery तो है, but I think it also has pleats. I'm not sure, या तो वो pleats होगा या तो वो सिर्फ stitch line होगा, so I'm not sure about that. लेकिन I really like it and it looks like a very breathable fabric also. So I just hope ये fun colors में आए, you know, seriously. I just hope that it comes in a very bright color, like a pop of red or yellow or something like that, or maybe green. Yeah, sage green would also look very nice. Should I get it? Heck, let's just get it. So now we have 5 tops in. I actually want to gift few tops to my aunt, so I am also looking कि उनके body type पे क्या suit करेगा. So yeah, let's just see. I really like the peplum tops and the A-line tops for her as well, because then she can wear it like it's sort of a kurti but it is not a kurti, if you know what I mean. Wait, how many tops do I have in my list? So ये सारे तो पुराने हैं, so just don't look at those. So I have the Athena से start करते हुए 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh sorry, I have 6 tops. So I think we are just looking for one top, the final top, and I hope it's a very nice printed embroidered one for her, because I also want to gift her something. She really likes embroidery on her tops, so I think let's give her something in embroidery sector. Okay, so I've added one filter here, which is the brand wala filter. So I'm really liking the here and now ke kurti / A-line type tops for her. So I think I would prefer gifting her something like that. So let's just go ahead with it. Please don't call me out for this one, please, because और कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा है यार, इसलिए मुझे फिल्टर डालना पड़ा ताकि मुझे A-line tops दिखे only. Oh my god, okay wait, I like this keyhole. इसमें 2 knots है in the keyhole, if I'm not wrong. Let me zoom it. Yeah, तो आप 2 जगह पे बांध सकते हो इसको, and it is an Empire line A-line top. It is printed, and the only thing that is very interesting and is attracting me towards this one is the 2 keyholes, and it also has lace at the hem. It also has lace detailing at the hems, which I really appreciate, and it's from the brand called Here and Now printed A-line top. I think this is going to be the finale top. I am liking it, I'm loving it, and my intuition says that I should buy this top. So okay, it's in the wish list. Okay, so guys, I am in the size medium, so I'm just ordering my tops here in my size. So if you guys are confused how to shop online and how to choose the correct size for you guys, let me know in the comments. I will definitely make a video on that, a very in-depth detailed video wherein you will never go wrong whenever you shop online. Tell me what is that category that you are struggling with, and I will definitely help you guys out. Okay, I think we're done with all of the 7 tops, so it's in my wish list, and now I am going to go and fill in my cart details. Before we wrap up with this video, I have something very exciting to tell you guys, wherein you can win a free lipstick. Yes, you heard it right. You can win a free lipstick. All you have to do is go to my description box, and there is a Surveka link which you have to click. Open the Surveka link and fill the form, which will actually take you less than 30 seconds. As soon as you are done with filling the form, you get a free lipstick. Yes, you will be getting a free lipstick, given the fact that you only have to pay the shipping, which is only 99 rupees. It's not even 100, it's only 99 rupees. The lipsticks that you guys will be receiving are from this brand called My Glam. So I'm pretty sure that you guys must have heard this brand's name, and if not, let me tell you, the brand is actually a makeup brand which makes cruelty free products, which I really support. And if you guys want to win free lipsticks from My Glam, all you have to do is go in my description box and there is a survey का link. तो आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ survey पे click करना है और आपको वो survey fill करना है. So that's it. These are the trendy tops that I have ordered blindly with the grey filter on. So I hope that I've made some good choices here. And being a fashion designer also, it's like अलग सा ही pressure है फिलहाल मुझ पर, तो please judge mat karna. And because these guys are going to take a lot of time in shipping me these products due to pandemic, I'm thinking of revealing all these outfits and all these tops in part 2 of this video. So I hope that we get to see these tops pretty soon, and I'm very much excited to see कि कैसे आ रहे हैं ये tops, क्या color है, क्या design है, क्या pattern है, क्या print है, everything. So stay tuned if you guys are also interested in watching. So मेक श्योर कि आपने नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करके रखा है, आपने ऑल सिलेक्ट करके रखा है, सो दैट यू नेवर miss any update whenever I upload that reveal video on my channel. And with that, we wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and that it was a very fun concept for you guys to watch, and I hope that I entertained you guys throughout this video. So if you guys are interested to know what are the products that we receive, so make sure that you tune in next Sunday and watch the reveal, wherein I will reveal all the products right here with you guys and judge them and see कि क्या आया है, कैसा आया है. Until then, if you guys like today's video, you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment करके बताना कि कौन सा टॉप आपका फेवरेट था from this shopping experience of ours. And as always, please share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.